They tried using Amartya Sen and failed. They tried to shoot off the shoulders of Amir Khan. But even he met the Prime Minister last week. Ladies and gentlemen, the last-ditch effort of the lobby was to piggyback on Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee. Then he also ended up exposing them. Let's debate.
On the debate tonight, a Nobel gesture that has stunned Lutyens' pseudos. Economics Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee has ended another dangerous Lutyens game with one statement.
Prime Minister started by cracking a joke about how the media is trying to trap me to say anti-Modi things. He's been watching the TV, he's been watching you guys, and he knows what you're trying to do. So I think stop.
The lobby and some in the opposition have, since the announcement of the Economics Nobel, piggybacked on Abhijit to target the government. Rahul Gandhi has led that pack. This tweet proves our point. The lobby has been quick to spin headlines, calling the Nobel duo critics of the Modi government. Something that may be far from the truth.
PM was kind enough to give me quite a lot of time and to talk a lot about his way of thinking about India, which was quite unique because one hears about policies, but one rarely hears about the thinking behind it. He's trying to reform the bureaucracy.
They tried the tactic using Amartya Sen and failed. They tried the tactic using Nasiruddin Shah and failed. They tried piggybacking on Abhijit, and this too has come a cropper. The lobby tactic to shoot off icons has failed, and miserably. Let's debate.
I want Madhu Kishwar to come into the debate with Saira Shah Halim at the start. And Madhu Kishwar, to you first. Maybe you can begin by telling Saira Shah Halim, Abhijit was their latest, what would I say, their latest possession,
Yes, sir.
They will, Abhijit Banerjee told the pseudos today to, allow me to complete. He told the pseudos today, please shut up. How can it get more insulting than that? Please stop. Please stop trying to use me to attack Modi. You heard that? So they don't know what to do. They have got Anand. They had one last hope. They thought that their new Messiah has come. Yeah. And the Messiah who will abuse Modi is Abhijit Banerjee. Today, Abhijit Banerjee said to the contrary. He said that Narendra Modi is trying to work hard to make the bureaucracy more responsive. Narendra Modi is really, really working to change lives on the ground. And Narendra Modi,
economic advisor to the Prime Minister.
No, and Narendra Modi understands you people, pseudos, better than anyone. You are trying to get me to make a statement against him. Please stop it, if you have any shame. Madhu, he has really attacked these pseudos today. And what are these pseudos going to do now, Madhu?
People by calling them pseudos, are you willing to listen what we are trying to say?
Now,
pseudos is not a bad thing.
Or you want to begin the debate?
Please let me have my say, Sarah. Please let me finish.
First, listen to Madhu and then you.
Please let me have my say, then you come. Firstly, there's another part to what Abhijit said. He also informed them that he had worked in Gujarat on several projects while Modi was the chief minister. And he had a lot of good words of praise about their interaction and the cooperation that the Gujarat government had given him. So he's actually telling them, I know Modi better. I've actually even worked with him and found him very receptive. So that, they can't even say, oh, it's because he wants to do some face saving. But however, the other thing, I think Mr. Banerjee himself, Dr. Banerjee, Professor Banerjee, also had somewhat of an agenda, because as a Nobel laureate from India, it didn't do much good to his image to have so many Indians criticize him and go after his irresponsible statements about Modi and about Indian economy. Therefore, he needed Modi as an umbrella to ward off that criticism. And Modi very generously obliged.
Arnab,
So I
can
just
I
hope
be
he
allowed-
No,
gives up now
my question
the
to you
kind
is,
of,
Saira, as a follow-up to the extremely well-worded comments of Madhu Kishwar, that you will have to wait another 10
No,
years.
Madhu Kishwar is a storyteller.
Another 10 years to find a
He was making
mascot.
stories as usual
Would you please
and
allow me
illogical
to make
stories.
my
And
well-worded comments
Saira,
as
allow
well?
me to complete. And
Will you be-
Saira,
will you
one
be
day you will find a
democratic
mascot.
enough? Will you be democratic enough to allow me to
Of
speak?
course, who do you think I am,
Will you be
Jignesh Mewani or
democratic
what?
enough to allow my
Jignesh Mewani
well-worded,
said,
comments as well?
Jignesh
Yes, thank
Mewani
you so
said,
much.
Jignesh uneducated, Jignesh illiterate, Jignesh irresponsible, Jignesh pseudo Mewani said, do not forget he's a proud alumnus of JNU. As if JNU is a continent on its own. I mean, which continent are you on, Anand? Don't forget he's from JNU. Like
Okay,
people say, don't forget he's from
Arnab,
Australia.
you allowed
Yeah, one
Ms.
sec.
Madhu
And
to
he has
speak.
been critical of
I'm
Modi.
requesting you
I
to
mean, what
please
are you?
allow
What
me
are
to
you?
speak as well.
JNU Alumni
The
Association?
debate is between Madhu Kishwar and me, Arnab. Can you allow me to please speak and
Why are
let
you
me
looking
complete my
frustrated?
sentence?
आएगा आपका मसाया आएगा.
Arnab.
आपको बचाने आएगा.
Miss
आपका मैस्कोट
Arnab, let me
आएगा.
complete my sentence, please.
Miss Saira-
Can I please
Miss Saira,
speak?
the question's
Because
been asked of me.
You told
You asked
me
the next
we-
Nobel
we
laureate.
Hold on, hold
open
your
with
horses.
Madhu Kishwar and I.
The question's been asked of
You have
me.
not allowed me to talk. Arnab, you have not allowed me to talk. It's not being fair.
When have I ever been fair?
Please
But
allow me a
continue.
minute to give my side.
The wrong side.
So what I'm saying is, I think it was
Miss
rather
Saira, the
nice
question's
of
been
Mr.
asked of
Modi. It was
me.
very nice of
Can you
Mr.
please
Modi
wait
to
till
call
I-
Mr. Abhijit Banerjee. Let me complete my sentence, Arnab. Arnab, let me please complete my sentence. I think it was highly magnanimous of Mr. Modi. I appreciate that he invited Mr. Banerjee despite their political, they don't agree
Political?
on the ideology, be it economy
he's
or
a
otherwise.
theoretical economist.
So that
Where's
is
the
way
politics
a
here?
democracy
You
functions.
couldn't be more wrong.
Yes,
Arnab,
I
this
know
is the
that.
reason.
Arnab, you are
This is
not
the
letting me
reason
speak.
why half
Arnab,
knowledge
you're not
is so
letting me
dangerous.
speak.
This
When
isn't
you're
Arnab,
not
Saira, this
allowing
is
a
me,
person
Anand.
to speak a
I know
single
it's easy to make a
construct, single
mistake.
sentence, there are 5 people heckling. I cannot see because my TV
I
is
know
not
we look
functioning. I
similar.
cannot see who's sitting in front of me. So please allow me to speak. No, Anand, allow me
think
to
Thank you. I'm
finish my
gratified that you
sentence.
think
Do
my
not
voice
heckle me,
resembles that
it's
of
a
Arnab
request.
Goswami. But I have to
So
come
what
in
I'm
here.
saying, Arnab
Anand,
is
not Arnab.
hilarious. You have not condemned Piyush Goyal's statement. You have not condemned Rahul Sinha's statement. And all these people are gloating just because Mr. Modi invited Abhijit Banerjee. So, and I think it.
No,
he did a
I want to
fantastic
ask you
thing.
something.
He should have.
I
It's
want
the
to ask
basic
you.
protocol.
I want to ask
It is
you.
Arnab, can I come in
I want to
However,
ask you.
here we need to condemn
See,
Mr.
Saira,
Piyush Goyal
Saira,
and
listen to
Mr.
me.
Rahul Sinha
Saira, listen to me.
statement, calling him a left-leaning economist, telling him that he is married twice.
Rahul Gandhi
He's
saying
married a
that
foreigner.
they stand on
And
behalf
Chinese
of the
leftists
people.
say bad character people have won a
Arnab,
Nobel.
I don't know what to say.
These
I'm
BJP
speechless.
leaders as version of Mr. Abhijit
This is
Banerjee,
unbelievable.
whom Mr.
They work all
Modi
their
actually
lives
gave
to
so
be
much
called
of
Are
left-leaning.
Abhijit Banerjee?
When somebody calls them left-leaning, they take it as an abuse.
Madhu
Abhijit is
Kishwar
concerned.
क्या होगा भाई
and
आपको?
others
We
like
don't
her.
surrender the right
We are
to
having the last
criticize
laugh
Abhijit
today
Banerjee.
Because
just
yesterday
because
Madhu
Modi
Kishwar
has
was
given him
making
a
fun of
clean chit.
Abhijit Banerjee.
Well, I'll tell you one thing.
I still do. I still do. I still do. I still do.
Tell this country
still do.
that Arnab
I don't surrender my right
put a wrong
to
hashtag
criticize
today.
Abhijit
It cannot
Banerjee.
be hashtag
Madhu
what it is
Kishwar-
running. It
Miss
has to
Madhu
be
Kishwar was
Abhijit
having
I
was
still criticize
laughing ahead
Abhijit.
of
The hashtag
and
of the
calling
day
Mr. Abhijit
is
Banerjee
Abhijit
all kinds of names.
Okay,
Today-
Saira, I want to ask you
Today
this.
she's
That
stunned
is
to
Saira,
see
may I-
him
Saira,
sitting
Saira.
in
I still
Mr. Modi's
do.
office.
Anand,
I
Today
still do.
Saira, may I
Kishwar
please?
is
I
stunned
still do.
that PM
Saira,
Modi
I
is giving
still
him so
do.
much respect.
Saira, I want to ask you.
Yesterday she was ridiculing him. Today we
I
are
still
having
do.
the
So
last
what?
laugh at your
Saira, was Abhijit Banerjee your last hope? Saira, was Abhijit Banerjee your last hope? The way you are reacting like now, like Abhijit Banerjee is God.
No,
Abhijit Banerjee is not
you
God.
haven't condemned,
Abhijit
you
Banerjee,
stole a
everyone on the
statement.
screen,
You
Abhijit
haven't
Banerjee,
condemned Rahul
Abhijit Banerjee is not God, ladies and gentlemen. Abhijit Banerjee is not God. And therefore, Abhijit Banerjee is a 56-year-old economist who is an American citizen. Abhijit was so scared that Trump would not let him stay in America as an Indian citizen that he gave up his Indian passport and he went across to the US naturalization authorities and he said, I no longer want to remain an Indian citizen. I want to live and serve and die in Trump's America. And Abhijit Banerjee is an American citizen. Let me make it absolutely clear. 56-year-old theoretical economist, an American citizen by choice and not God.
Heritage, Arnab.
So
He's
He's not God.
American citizen with Indian heritage and the entire country is proud of him. Bengal is proud of him.
You did not question Urjit Patel, who was made the RBI governor. He was not an Indian citizen.
You lost.
You did not
Was
question
Abhijit
Urjit
Banerjee
Patel.
your last
You were
hope?
taking interview.
Sardar RP Singh, why are they behaving like this?
No, Abhijit was
एक आया था इनका रिस्पॉन्स ऐसा है आज आरपी सिंह जी इनका रिस्पॉन्स ऐसा है कि एक बेचारा ये देखिए ये राहुल बेचारा काम के बोझ का मारा इसको बचाएगा अभिजीत राहुल के जगह अभिजीत
Congress party was
कौन
just
बचाएगा
something.
they are behaving in an unnatural way ये सब पागल हो चुके हैं
Just something and said, oh, stand and Nyaya has been vindicated. But what about today?
Narendra
When
Modi has
Abhijit
failed
Banerjee
again.
praises the vision of Prime Minister Modi,
God.
he praises Ayushman Bharat. Now what do you say on that?
इनका क्या होगा
But they were trying to pick it earlier.
Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day.
Yes.
Abhijit
That
slaps
man who gave us
Piyush is
Nyaya
the
got the
hashtag of
Nobel.
the day.
So was stand and Nyaya vindicated. But what
Is the hashtag of the
Acha,
day.
tell me what-
Abhijit
RP.
slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day. Abhijit slaps
They're not
Piyush
mad.
is the hashtag of the day. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag of the day. Goyal.
ये कौन है
Goyal gone.
Congress got it.
Arnab may come in for half a minute.
Oh,
Arnab,
God, you know.
Arnab,
क्या होगा इनका
Arnab.
Yeah, I'll tell you one
Arnab
thing
may come in for half
no
a minute.
what is it you know I'll
Change
tell
the
you
hashtag, Arnab.
Arnab,
Change your
may I come in
hashtag.
for
I won't change my who are you to tell me
Arnab,
to change my
please let
hashtag
me come in for half a
Abhijit
minute.
exposes pseudos
Arnab, please
The
let me
country
come
will
in for
change
half
it,
a
sir.
minute.
The country will
Arnab,
change it.
please let
The
me come in
nation
for half a
will.
minute.
Abhijit
I think
slaps Piyush
Nishant-
is the hashtag. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag. Abhijit slaps Piyush is the hashtag.
All working.
Slaps Piyush is the hashtag.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Nation will change it.
Nation will change it.
Abhijit slaps
क्या लोग
Piyush.
बेवकूफ हो गए?
Abhijit slaps
Arnab, let me
Piyush.
come in for half a minute.
Abhijit slaps Piyush.
Shut up कराओ यार.
Abhijit slaps Piyush.
Someone's gonna get up and slap Nishant Verma if it goes on like this. Nishant ji, please. No.
इसको तो गला तोड़
Really?
देंगे सड़क पे ही लोग.
इतना क्यों चिढ़ते हो सर?
Arnab, the
Abhijit
big
slaps
victory.
Piyush.
I think the
Abhijit
victory-
slaps Piyush. Abhijit slaps Piyush.
Professional hecklers.
Abhijit
Congress
slaps
needs
Piyush.
professional hecklers because they have nothing to say for itself.
No.
Can you imagine relying on
Whatever.
third-rate
Abhijit slaps
professional
Piyush.
hecklers?
Whatever,
That's all
ma'am.
there is
It
to
is
them.
okay.
This
But
is all.
today's
The
headline
script they
is
learn.
Abhijit slaps
What a
Piyush.
disgrace.
Abhijit is looking happy. Viewers, I'll tell you one thing.
Really?
Look at this man. Full-frame pictures of Abhijit meeting Narendra Modi. And one minute, Madhu Kishore, let me say this. Look at how happy and fawning Abhijit is. Look at the admiration with which he is looking at Prime Minister Modi. And look at the statements that he is making. He is saying that Narendra Modi is trying to change India. And he is saying very clearly that Narendra Modi is working very hard to make the bureaucracy responsive, to get the stimulus on the ground, and we need to have a responsive government. And he's also said Narendra Modi is breaking the mistrust people shares on the ground, which creates an elite structure of control. And what do, Saira? If you had declared him your mascot, that's between you and him. You call him now. Call Abhijit and say, you know, Abhijit the God. Abhijit, Your Holiness Abhijit.
Your
Highness Abhijit. You are supposed to save me.
Mr. Modi called him because Mr. Modi was not even acknowledging that he won the Nobel Prize. He was trying to rephrase the whole thing. I'm glad that better sense prevailed. And he actually gave that acknowledgement, given the kind of criticism he was receiving. Considering the kind of criticism the right wing was receiving, the appalling statement Mr. Piyush Goyal was making, the appalling statement Rahul Sinha was making, disparaging mark about a Nobel laureate, shameful remarks about the Nobel laureate, all coming from right wing. How come you are not making fun of these guys? Because today in the last
one of their mascots,
because
a leftist economist. Leftism has become a bad word even for them.
Giving him respect, no matter what the right wing thinks, right thinks he's a left-leaning economist or whatever, but I think he's written
he
a
went
brilliant
to
book.
Modi
I think he's given some brilliant insights on how to elevate, how to
look.
On urban poverty elevation, I think he's given some amazing insights, and even the PM Modi is appreciating it. And I appreciate PM Modi for being respectful and for honoring someone who deserves it. And I think we really need to
being called a leftist economist has become a bad word. That's a big victory. A leftist economist for them is perceived as a gali, which is a big victory.
Why
stand by our criticism.
No, the point is, why would you let someone
been gracious enough
a right-wing venom-spewing,
just because Narendra Modi
so-called intellectual? You are a right-wing venom-spewing woman.
Right to criticize him.
You are a right-wing venom-spewing woman.
Look at this. Is that just look at that?
Right-wing venom-spewing
Oh my God! Just because nobody listens to you, Sara.
Would you like that?
Look at this. Another heckler.
No, is
there a word I have said which can be called venomous?
Against you,
just
lady.
Look at this
people
woman
are
going mad.
Cases against you because of the trash you dish out.
They all lost. They all lost. Madam, they all lost the cases.
You need serious help.
They all lost the cases. They all lost
just
the
because
cases.
I would request the pseudos to pick up some new mascot very soon. They need to pick up a new mascot. I wish them luck. This one has dropped them like a hot brick. I shall see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. It's been an entertaining session tonight, hasn't it? With the news, the breaking news and the top analysis. Shall be back with a big story on the Bollywood connection of Dawood. That's tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.